Okay, let's get started now. So today we'll learn vocab related to time. Time, as we all know, it's most crucial thing in the world. So first one is time is the best healer. Time is the best healer. Healer means
भरने वाला.
very good. So समय सारे घाव भर देता है. What do you say घाव in English? Separately if I ask. Wounds. Spelling?
WOUND.
Very good. So it is pronunciation is wound. Some people pronounce it as wound. It's not wound, it is wound. So time is the best healer means समय सारे घाव भर देता है. कुछ भी हो जाता है, कोई भी फाइट हो जाती है फैमिली में, एनीथिंग हैपेंस, सो टाइम इज द बेस्ट है. थोड़े टाइम बाद वो ठीक हो जाती है, सब भूल जाते हैं. एवरीबडी फॉरगेट्स एवरीथिंग आफ्टर सम टाइम. तो ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेनी लाइफ में. डोंट टेक स्ट्रेस, जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव, बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक मीन्स आशावादी. सुरेंद्र, I think in Instagram you have this name, optimistic. Yes, optimistic yogi. So optimistic means आशावादी. The second one is a person who has positive thinking. आशावादी means आशा is hope.
Always thinks positive.
Positive, yes. A person who always thinks positive is optimistic. And a person who always thinks negative, pessimistic. So there are two kinds of people in this world.
Best example, like a optimist. A man search for the meaning book. Viktor Frankl. I inspire.
Yes.
Like Viktor Frankl.
Okay. Next is change is the law of nature. Means
प्रकृति का
नियम है कि हर चीज बदलती रहती है. Like
टाइम के साथ
सब कुछ बदल जाता है. Like you were born, then you grew up, you were an infant earlier, then you were toddler. Toddler is infant के बाद जो होता है. Infant is little baby 0 to 1 year होता है. So this is how change is the law of nature. Nothing remains constant. कुछ भी एक जैसा नहीं रहता. Next is change is inevitable. Inevitable is very useful word, which means जिसको टाला नहीं जा सकता, होना ही है. In English you say bound to happen. Inevitable means होना ही है. Like in Hindi you say होने को कोई नहीं टाल सकता, है ना? Then we say like this. So change is inevitable. चेंज को कोई नहीं रोक सकता, होगा ही होगा चेंज. आप छोटे हो फिर आप बड़े हो गए होगे.
लाइक जो लिखा है वो होना ही होना है.
यस, चेंज होता रहेगा. ओके, वी कैन यूज दिस इनएविटेबल वर्ड फॉर डेथ ऑल्सो. डेथ इज इनएविटेबल. नोबडी कैन स्टॉप डेथ. कोई भी अमर नहीं है ना. एवरीबडी हैज टू डाई वन डे. लाइक आर मोस्ट पॉपुलर हीरो who died, what is the talk of the town these days? Yesterday Dharmendra.
But he not died.
Now it, again these paradoxical statements are there. Paradoxical means
Rumors also.
yes, paradoxical means 50-50. Some people are saying he has died, some people are saying he has not died. Let's see.
But now our daughter confirmed that he is still alive. And it discharged India. He's
But everybody is mourning. Mourning means no, MOURNING. Mourning means दुखी होना, शोक मनाना. So everybody, I saw everybody was mourning in the reels and all I saw. Chalo, let's see.
for views, ma'am.
Maybe. So paradoxical means 50-50 statement, unclear statement. Paradoxical. Sometimes saying yes, sometimes saying no. So paradoxical means 50-50. Now time and tide. Next one is time and tide. Wait for none. Means time or tide. Time, so you know what is tide. Tide क्या होता है? Tide is a nirma kind of thing. Surf है ना? Nirma is different surf. Tide is different term. Okay. Tide mean लहरें. ठीक है? Time और लहरें किसी के लिए नहीं रुकती. लहर आएगी और चली जाएगी. Okay? So you should not kill time.
समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता.
Yes. Next is time flies. Which one? Wound. Wound means घाव, जख्म. कोई किसी के लिए भी नहीं. None means किसी के लिए भी नहीं. Okay. Next is time flies. Time flies means
समय उड़ रहा है.
मतलब time is passing by very fast. Utilize it. Learn English. Okay. Learn vocabulary and become fluent in English. So don't kill time. Utilize your time because time flies. Next is gone are the days. I love this phrase. I don't know why. Gone are the days. अब वो दिन चले गए. Gone are the days when people used to go to STD and do, PCO and do calls.
Like school days चले गए.
Yes, school days भी चले गए. अब वो दिन चले गए when women were in the veil. What is veil? Gone are the days when women were in the veil.
Like a jail से there in there.
Jail is different. Veil is घूंघट.
Oh yeah. होगा.
So जब women घूंघट में रहती थी अब वो दिन चले गए. Maybe in some village areas it is still prevalent, but in cities nobody does veil. Okay.
Generations are modern.
Yes. Even all mother-in-law, father-in-law, they are also modern now. So they are not orthodox. Orthodox means पुराने विचारों वाले. वो पुराने विचारों वाले नहीं है अब. Orthodox, yes,
They
रूढ़िवादी.
are understanding.
They understand. Use simple present tense, Avneet, while speaking. They understand.
Orthodox.
Orthodox means old mentality people.
Orthodox.
मैम इसका मतलब old जो old सोचते हैं.
Yes, old mentality people. Okay, next one is once in a blue moon. This I told you earlier. It means कभी कभी, बहुत ही कम. Okay, anything you can say. I wear sari once in a blue moon. I go to play football once in a blue moon. Anything which you do rarely. For that you will use once in a blue moon. Clear? Once in a blue moon.
Yes.
Next is better late than never. Means better late than never.
लेकिन देर से आई.
कभी ना हो इससे बेटर है कि लेट हो जाए. Like some people, they join this course, spoken English course, at their later age. For example, they are in 30s or 40s also. But it's okay. It's better late than never. सीखा तो सही, आए तो सही, ठीक है ना. कभी शर्माना नहीं चाहिए. You can have your skills, especially for women. They are, always busy in nurturing their kids in their family. So maybe after 40, they get some time for themselves. So I have many ladies, okay, those who are learning English, so it's good. It's better late than never. We should spend time for ourselves also. Now comes very interesting phrase, that is think of the devil and the devil appeared. Yes. It means शैतान का नाम लिया, शैतान हाजिर. Okay. Shaitan is devil. But see, sometimes what happens? Where is Bhavya? Now listen. This is devil. But if sometimes what happens, you like that person, आपको अच्छा लगता है वो इंसान और वो आ जाता है. अब उसको आप devil बोलोगे तो नाराज हो जाएगा वो, है ना. So you can change it. English is very beautiful language. You can change according to yourself. So you can say, think of the angel and the angel appeared. अगर आप उस बंदे को पसंद करते हो, so you can say think of the angel and the angel appeared. Change devil into angel. अब मान लो रोहित की गर्लफ्रेंड आई है, ठीक है, उसने बोल दिया think of the devil and the devil appeared, तो नाराज हो जाएगी. So say think of the angel and the angel appeared, so she will be very happy. Okay. Next is last one, don't kill your time.
Time को waste मत करो.
Don't waste your time. Instead of saying don't waste your time, you can use don't kill your time. Some verbs are, specially made for some nouns. उसके साथ ही उनका combination बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So use kill your time. Don't kill your time like this. Okay. Now make a paragraph all of you on this, and we will do public speaking tomorrow. You all have to speak this topic tomorrow. Okay. And you all make sentences and drop it in the comment.